Yeah, first we need to make sure that the samples are properly collected, right? And that the sample is representative of the area you're trying to assess. And that includes the depth of the sample. So you can think of the depth of the crops and the depth of the sample. So, and changes over time is also important to keep an eye on. If you're getting like wild changes in nutrient contents over time, then there's probably something wrong, except for nitrogen. So, but the most important point is to figure out what implications the levels showing analysis will have in the fertilization program, or how much fertilizer is applied. So, like more nutrients is needed, how much, when, what type of fertilizer are you using? So, understanding the results, like what is that result too low? Is that sufficient? Do I need to do anything about it? So accuracy is important for guiding that. Mm-hmm. There are methods that are accepted as standards for the Western regions or for the United States. So most laboratories in here, they abide to the soil, plant, and water reference methods for the Western region, but which is a lot of it's based on the methods of soil analysis that's published by the American Society of Soil Sciences. So and most labs are familiar with that, and I understand the main issues is to be consistent with those methods, right? Once you understand what methods we're using, we're expecting consistency, and then the labs, that's what they do. They train their staff and implement. And I mean, we hope they'll implement internal quality control programs, right? So they could check themselves and see how they're performing. But also having a proficiency program that's maybe run by a collaboration between the university or universities, laboratories, and growers association, maybe, where all labs join permanently, not just when it's convenient. When they could join this program, that could be a solution. As it is, if a lab doesn't, as it is, a lab does not have to join a proficiency program nor show how accurate it is. So having a proficiency program that is run by different entities, and that, where the clientele actually recognize that as a standard and is important and request the laboratories to participate in that program, that I believe could highly improve the quality of the analysis performed by the laboratories.